Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you're searching for the perfect blue sneaker, you found it right here with this pair of ASICS. I am so in love with these sneakers, not just because of the color, but because of how comfortable and supportive they are. So this is a pair of Gel-Kayano 28 from ASICS. It's the Mako Blue and the Barely Rose. These sneakers are lightweight yet supportive. I love how flexible they are and how roomy. I had an injury where I broke my ankle and my leg, and I'm beginning to walk again with just sneakers. But these sneakers have been so roomy and so supportive. Even though my right foot is swollen and unstable, this pair of sneakers gives me just the right amount of support. Plus the cushioning is excellent, both on the tongue and along the back of the heel. I don't feel overly cushioned or squeezed because of the swelling in my right foot. I'm able to make them loose enough because the laces are generous and the toe box is wide. And this pair of blue sneakers with that white and pink trim is exactly what I was looking for to just kind of spice up my sneaker wardrobe. So if you're looking for a comfortable, adaptable, flexible, and supportive pair of sneakers that also comes in a fabulous blue color like this one, then you can't go wrong with a pair of ASICS. I love the fact that it's roomy in the toe box, the material is breathable so my foot doesn't get too hot, and I've got lots of room and flexibility all over with this shoe. On both of my feet, both my injured foot and my normal foot, both of my feet are happy in these shoes, and I think yours will be too, and that is my point of view.